Welcome to any Capital Technology Center at the Muskogee campus. My name is Matt Swanson, the recruiter. Let's take a quick look at our programs.
Auto collision repair. Auto collision repair students learn to assess, repair, and refinish damaged vehicles. They gain skills in welding, painting, and adhesive repair, leading to careers like collision repair technician or painting technician. Students can earn ASE, Automotive Service Excellence certifications. Automotive Service Technology. Students in Automotive Service Technology diagnose and repair vehicle systems using advanced tools. They prepare for roles such as brakes technician, engine performance tech, and retail parts sales rep. Certifications include ASE, which validate their skills in automotive repair and service. Business Management and Administration. Business management students master office responsibilities, including software applications and project simulations. Graduates can work as administrative assistants, office managers, or receptionists, integrating professionalism and ethics. Cosmetology. Cosmetology students develop hair, nail, and skincare expertise in a salon environment. They prepare for roles like hairstylist or nail technician, with licensing through the State Board of Cosmetology. Culinary Recreation and Entertainment. Culinary students learn to prepare gourmet meals, deliver exceptional service, and thrive in hospitality roles. Graduates work in restaurants, hotels, or casinos with certifications like ServSafe and ProStart. Electricity. Students enrolled in the electricity program design, stage, and install commercial and residential electrical wiring for power control systems. Students can earn national certifications through the Oklahoma Department of Career and Technology Education, as well as earn your Oklahoma apprentice license. Facilities maintenance. Facilities maintenance students learn construction, plumbing, electrical wiring, HVAC, and welding. Graduates can work in schools, hospitals, or commercial properties as maintenance technicians or supervisors. Graphic arts. Graphic arts students design and produce visual communications using professional software and equipment. Graduates can work as graphic designers or visual arts artists, earning national certifications through ODCTE as well as Adobe certifications. Health Careers Certification. Health careers students explore medical professions, perform healthcare procedures, and work in clinical settings. Graduates can pursue certifications like CNA, HHA, and CPR to work in hospitals, clinics, or nursing homes. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Students enrolled in the HVAC program design, fabricate, and install many types of HVAC and refrigeration components. Get certified and earn your HVACR journeyman's license. Information technology. Students build, repair, and troubleshoot computers and networks. They develop skills for IT support roles like network administrator or PC support technician and can earn certifications such as CompTIA A+. Precision machining. Students in this program use advanced equipment to manufacture products and prepare for roles like CNC technician or machinist. Certifications include CNC machine and drill press operator from the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. Sports medicine. Sports medicine students learn physical therapy and athletic training techniques, such as ultrasound and TENS unit use. Graduates can work as rehab technicians or personal trainers. Welding. Welding students design and build products while mastering blueprint reading and fabrication skills. Careers include MIG or TIG welder, with certifications like GNAW, SNAW, and Oklahoma welding certifications in 3G and 6G.